Hey everyone, woke up extra early today. Thought I'd make some coffee out here in the woods. This spot looked perfect.
Heads up, tribe. Storm's rolling in. No time for s'mores. Today's mission is hack-proof shelter and keep dry. Good morning, legends. Day 2 in the wild. First order of business, coffee. Because without caffeine, I'm basically just an ape with a tent. All right, squad. Today we're getting fancy. Fresh caught fish. And yes, dessert too. Campfire seafood s'mores. Here we go. Peace out, fam. It's golden hour in the wild. First, we stretch it out. Then I'll whip up a Zen stir fry on my portable grill.